In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your DocuSign subscription. We'll walk through this process step by step, so you can follow along on your own screen and make sure your plan is properly canceled. This is helpful if you're not using DocuSign as much anymore, or if you're just trying to cut down on monthly subscriptions. First, open your web browser and go to the DocuSign website. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main DocuSign homepage, where you usually send or manage your documents. From here, look towards the top of the page for a tab labeled Admin. This is the section where you manage your account settings, users, and billing details. Go ahead and click on the Admin tab. If you don't see it, there's a good chance you might not have admin permissions on that account, so you may need to log in with an admin account first. Once you're on the admin dashboard, focus on the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. In that menu, find and click on the option called Plan and Billing. This is the area where DocuSign shows your current subscription, payment details, and any trials or add-ons you might have. When the Plan and Billing page loads, you'll see information about your current plan. In the example shown while this guide was created, the account was on a pro trial, so there was no fully active paid plan. In your case, you'll likely see the name of your active subscription, such as a standard or business plan, along with your renewal date and billing frequency. Next to your current plan, look for a button or link that says Cancel Plan. This is usually clearly visible next to the plan name or near the billing details. Click on Cancel Plan to start the cancellation process. After you click it, DocuSign may ask you to confirm your choice and possibly give a reason for canceling. Read any messages carefully so you understand whether your access ends immediately or at the end of your current billing period. Once you confirm the cancellation, your subscription will be set to stop renewing, and that's it. You've now canceled your DocuSign subscription by going through the admin area, opening Plan and Billing, and selecting Cancel Plan next to your active subscription.